I can practice different skills, gain different levels of experience. My name is Sarthak. I'm currently a medical student in Australia, and I have some background in registered nursing, which I've been working for the last 4 years. So working with the suture pads that are available from ProxSimity today, I had obviously the ones that you've worked with before, these ones, great products as well, but I also had a cool one that I worked with today that ProxSimity features is something that looks like this. So again, very portable, very usable. The silicone finish of it is very nice. Like, you know, the skin texture that you get kind of working with real patients, you get that. And using a scalpel to kind of open the skin layer, not getting too deep, but I felt that, you know, when I'm using my scalpel, a bit of, we call it the feeling of going through tissue, right? I had the opportunity to do cadaver dissections back in school, so being able to get that opportunity and now use a simulation product and get that feeling of, you know, being able to hit different layers of skin was really valuable. Then using sutures and being able to suture it up, it holds up really good. I can see my sutures and I can see different layers of skin inside, so I know I'm putting my sutures in the right area, in the right space. So overall, I found that, you know, having various ProxSimity models and of course having a different model available, I can practice different skills, gain different levels of experience.